ladies and gentlemen. I was running super late. A lot of incidents happened. Bad idea going on a Saturday. Train is super full. It started 10 minutes late. I initially thought it was way too much, but then the way he rode, I want to post a few. There aren't sitting opposite me saying death glass is opening. I'm in Shatabdi Express and goes from Bangalore to Chennai. The train number is 120. It comes with food included. First round of food is here. Okay, never heard of this, but it's some mango juice, some tirunelveli halwa kind of a thing, namkeen, bhujia, 2 packets, some sort of samosa kind of a thing. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, it's a kachori, 1 straw, 1 sauce packet, 1 tissue paper. Not bad for starters. Like mentioned earlier, this kachori looks pretty well cooked. But as you guys can see, let's do a quick taste test. Very chewy. Masala is for namesake, but for train standards, pretty decent. Not so good. Okay, kachori somehow went down next up. Trying the mango. Should I forgot to shake it, but this one's by Hagen Agar. I've never heard of this brand. Taste impression. Tastes like fruity but sweeter. Not bad. Not bad, the red IRCTC. Sorry for the terrible angle, but next up we got something called matcha. Well, I was sitting here for a minute and I didn't get a bottle of water. Passed it 2-3 times already. It's like somebody dumped a bottle full of salt on top of this. I think I'm just gonna go home and give it to my dad. Just gonna take it with his drinks. So yeah, I didn't quite mention why I'm going to Chennai. Very random, abrupt starting this was, but the main reason why I'm going is because I have a knee surgery coming up. If you guys remember, last year sometime I got COVID. I don't know why there was an inflammation on my left knee, and because of that, my shock absorber was basically torn, and I had to get an MRI done, and we clearly showed that it requires surgery. But the dumbass that I am supposed to get it done by Feb, and it's already July. And the doctor I spoke to, he's like, boss, this is... Yeah, long story short, I'm just going to go back again. I think I'm taking a second opinion as well. I don't know how this is going to end up. But if it does, I'm going to show you guys as well how it goes, what's the process. I've had enough surgeries in my 30 years of life. But anyway, the reason why I didn't go sooner was because, as you guys might not have seen, because I wouldn't have uploaded the video because of the device, but I got engaged in April. Because of that, there was too much running around to do. We had to go to Kerala and other stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much why I'm going back home. Luckily, I'm working remotely. So yeah, I'm gonna save this for later. Not in the mood to eat something sweet at all. So the namkeen, kachori, this, good, not bad. 10 minutes after that came, got some. What I came, but cup seems to be leaking. But really needed. Glad that I saved this. It's gonna go well with this. Time to try this out. Not bad at all. Solid win with black coffee. I think this is the best thing that they've given us so far. But the 4th time, asked for water. So good. Quick washroom tour. I think this is a newer train, and yes, I have put on a lot of it. Sorry if you're eating when I show this. And of course, I think from Mysore somebody has And okay, the automatic flushing one. There's a manual flusher as well. It's a faucet here.
1 hour later.
It is 7 and they've already started serving dinner. Like one idiot, I selected non-veg, but I got some chicken curry, got rice, and they've got dal. Not bad though, they're really up there. Packaging game. And this is the chapati, I'm guessing, and surabi pickle. They stopped serving this particular sachets of hand sanitizer that used to come before this. Time to unpack the curry. Yeah, to be honest, this one is normal rice. It's the dal. This one is some gai ka roti. Okay. So sorry that the audio quality in this vlog has been horrible because everyone is sitting in the train and eating food quietly. I didn't want to disturb anyone's peace, and so I thought, okay, let me just do a voiceover. Anyway, I think the chicken curry is very average, or vice versa. I'm not too sure. Not able to figure out myself. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, chicken curry is bad. Yep. Definitely don't go for the non-veg option when you're traveling with this train, because I could shoot another vlog on how bad my stomach was the next day after this. But anyway, the chapati was super thick, like those you feed a cow. And with the look on my face, you could tell that it's not as good. Yeah, thank you, Talreja, for the affirmation. But yeah, going in for another bite with the dal. I think chapati with the dal looks pretty okay. Yeah, yep, absolutely. Not bad. And yeah, surprisingly, I thought they stopped serving this, but a good small dabba of curd. I'm somebody who loves curd, so what I did was to make things edible. I think I just mixed things up a bit, and because I was also starving, because I didn't have anything the whole day apart from the trash food that they gave. And yeah, next up, surabi mixed pickle. So pickle and curd is a big, amazing combination that we do here. If you're a big fan of it, let me know in the comment section. While we wait for the pickle opening to happen, please make sure to go hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, because that'll be great. As you guys can see, we're pretty close to 150 and the aim is 1000. And yeah, once we're monetized, I think I can take things forward and travel a bit and give you all better content. So yeah, anyway, back to this pointing out on how raw the chapati is. Yeah, I don't know why they serve terrible food. I mean, this is supposedly a above average premium train, so yeah, kind of depressing for the price they charge and the food they have to offer. Really wish I could go back and stop myself from eating all this in the video, but unfortunately I can't. So yep. Also, just wanted to add that this was the only thing that tasted the best from the whole lot, and I'm so glad this was there to finally save me from not passing out. But yeah, got some vanilla ice cream for the win. Alright, as you guys can see, finally back home. Clearly full luggage. It's too exhausting, man. There were instances where I had to really keep it low because people were not very okay with it. But let me quickly get a cab and see if that